So this actually challenge addressed to all of your kind translators and interpreters and language professionals. If you're a localization expert or trust creator, this challenge can help you to improve your LinkedIn presence and, of course, to know what you need to do in a strategical way so as to start getting results. By results, I mean leads, potential clients, inquiries, and why not projects and paid clients through your LinkedIn account. So by clicking on the link, vmentoring.com/LinkedIn-challenge-2026, and also check the description box of this video to find out more, you will be able to be redirected to this page. You will be able to get more qualified client leads from LinkedIn in just 5 days. You just need to join the challenge. And of course, as I mentioned, we're going to talk a lot about branding, and it's going to be practical step by step, okay, built specifically for language professionals challenge. You just need to click on the button here, your first name and your email. You'll be able to receive all the details. And of course, 5 days, 5 lessons, 5 ways to revive your LinkedIn strategy. You will learn how to attract high quality clients who can afford your services on LinkedIn right now. By visiting this page, you'll be able to see actually what we're going to teach on a daily basis: day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. 5 different trainings on a daily basis. And of course, you'll be able to start getting some clients before the challenge ends. Just 5 days. Just my previous mentees of mine, people who joined this totally free of charge challenge, were able to get as results. If you would like more information about me and my background, totally recommend you to read more details in the About section of this page. I've been a translator since 2007. I'm certified, actually, Greek translator. And by trial and error, I really learned what it really works. I built a 6-figure translation agency here in Greece since 2014. And of course, I initiated my coaching business in 2019. And since 2020, I've been running the Fully Booked Translator Formula, or the Ultimate LinkedIn Prospecting System. Both of them are a 12-week business mentorship program specifically designed for language professionals to help you become fully booked in less than 12 weeks. In case that you need more information about me and you have questions, drop them in the comments and I would love to address them. By the end of this challenge, you will know how to create a compelling LinkedIn profile that builds your authority and credibility, how to search, find, and connect with your ideal clients on LinkedIn 100% for free, how to say to your ideal clients on LinkedIn to start a conversation, okay, what to say to them that most of you at 𝗟𝗵 have zero idea on how to start natural conversations, how to create content that converts and attracts high clients to you, and of course, my proven outbound and inbound lead generation approach and tools to excel the process. It is for you if you're a translator, interpreter, or language professionals that you would like to use LinkedIn. Either you are a starting out LinkedIn user or you've been using LinkedIn for a while, but you don't get, let's say, enough results. This challenge is for you. And of course, if you want a clear step-by-step process, okay, not just advice or random posting tips, join this challenge. You'll be able to see results. I'm very excited and also I'm very proud of this program that I have created just for you. So what you get by joining: 5 short daily training sessions delivered online, all of them recorded, so no matter where you're based, you'll be able to catch up. 5 daily live Q&A sessions. So every day I'm going live with you, and the times will be announced by email, through email to you. All of them will take place live, and I will take into consideration your time zones so as you to be able to join live, but also you'll be able to get the recordings, but you need to sign up in order to get access to the recorded videos and the recordings of the live sessions where I'm going to answer all of your questions. You're going to get access to daily implementation tasks, okay? You will be able to do a small short task every day so as to get progress and see results right away from day 1. You will be able to get accountability, and you will be able to get support via dedicated private group. So if your business, even as a freelancer, your freelance business would benefit from having a steady flow of high quality leads and clients coming to you every single day through LinkedIn, then this challenge for you. If you are a boutique translation agency or you would like to turn your freelance business to a company, then again, this challenge will help you so as to be able to get on a consistent basis clients coming back to you. People who have participated in this challenge, okay, they're sharing with you their experience. And of course, I have so many more success stories and testimonials on my website, 𝗟𝗵_success stories. If you click save my free spot here, you just need to put your name and your email, and I would love to see you inside and work towards your goals for the 5 days starting from Monday, April 6th. But of course, you'll be receiving more details and information via email. So you need to sign up first, receive the email with all the details. And of course, if you come up with more questions, send me a direct message or an email at info@vmentoring.com. I would love to address all of your questions, or comment below this video, wherever you're watching me from, just to be able to answer all of your questions. Bye-bye for now. See you inside.